Hello friends, Namaskar, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to another episode of Property Brand Tours and आपण समस्त जानते we create the best real estate reviews at Property Brand Tours. So आज हम explore करेंगे one of the projects located in Pathargarhia, located near Patia Kims Hospital, and the नाम होची SRA Anand. चलो तो देखिबा कौन अछि project रेखास, how have the developers planned the project, current status कौन अछि, and how is it offering a very unique combination. आसंतु एक्सप्लोर करें. So if we talk in brief, 1 acre project अछि, data tower अछि, 70 units project planned अछि of 2 BHKs and 3 BHKs and with all usable amenities. Project developers होचंते Amrita Builders and SRA Ventures. And currently project under construction achi 2026 year end or 27 first quarter project handover scheduled achi. If we talk about the location, then of course ame sabule kohu ki location is the most important thing. Location change hi paribani, and whenever we are buying a home, locations should be selected very carefully, and because that is one of the most crucial point. आपण जोटी भी घर नौचंती से लोकेलिटी रे से एरिया रे आपण next 10 years 15 years 20 years or more you and your family will be staying. So the location of the project is Pathargarhia. Pathargarhia initially was taken as a low lying area or I would say a rural area, but if we talk about the entire infrastructure, then जो हमारा नंदनकानन main road अच्छी of course very well developed. But CET जो pricing currently चलची that has pushed the development in the adjoining areas in entire Bhubaneswar. So इबे जहाँ भी projects आसुची in terms of good pricing. So location हिसाब रे this is Pathargarhia is very well connected to KIT and Nandankanan main road entirely. This is connected to the other areas of the city like Apadankara, XIMB, Jadavihar and towards Mayapalli. So from this Apadankara Utkal Hospital wala jo parallel road bana hai ji. We have all the educational institutions. If we talk about schooling, तो KITRA school अच्छे, KISRA school अच्छे. Again, ODM school is located nearby. We have Future Bhubaneswar School, Sai International School nearby. So education in terms of schooling, it has been taken care. KIT is one of the biggest global, I would say, institutions. So KIT will find all the colleges. So those are all also located nearby. Again, if we talk about the workplaces, DLF Cyber City, I already mentioned Corisarchi, TCS, Mindtree, entire InfoCity re jitne bhi companies achi, those are within 10 minutes duration. Our housing road. If we want to go towards Khandagiri, Sundarpur hai ki, Chandaka hai ki, this is very well connected towards Khandagiri as well. So that is how this location works. And if we talk about any medical emergency, तो KIMS is the nearest hospital. Apart from that, Utkal Hospital अच्छी and बहुत भलो connectivity अच्छी with other Medicare facilities as well. Now coming back to the project, we should be talking about again another factor of the project, that is thorough detailing in terms of what amenities there are, how's the layouts and everything in detail. If we talk about the unit plan or property plan in detail, then gote floor re in one block they have 6 units and block B gote floor re 8 unit achi maximum. If we talk about the units, तो 25 3 BHK units अच्छी and rest are the 2 BHK units. Project हिसाब रे जितकी भी requirement अच्छी lifts रो common area amenities रो that have also been taken care. यदि अपना 2 BHK देखिए 1303 and 1313 square foot रो size अच्छी, 3 BHK रे almost 1677 square foot रो size अच्छी, but the layouts are very well designed, very efficient. अपना को घर भीतर किसी यूजेबल एरिया जाओनी, एंड इफ यू आर सीइंग जितकी भी हमारा मेजर एरिया अच्छे, वी टॉक अबाउट द बेडरूम्स, किचन, drawing dining area, the sizes are really good. Furniture planning is also done really well. Apart from that, if we discuss about the amenities, तो प्रोजेक्ट रे EV चार्जिंग स्टेशन दिखाई, कम्युनिटी हॉल अच्छी, किड्स प्ले एरिया अच्छी, मेडिटेशन, योगा, एक्सरसाइजिंग पाई प्लेसेस, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज, ऑल्दो बहुत बड़ा लैंड एरिया नहीं प्रोजेक्ट रो, but the developer has included all the major amenities जहाँ कि a area रे taking everything in consideration, it was they were able to design or well place it. Project रे pool दिया है जी, and pool side रे sitting space दिया है जी. So a lot of things have been taken care in terms of आपको children अच्छंती जदी तो they need a space to play, senior citizens अच्छंती तांको बसिबा पाई, कथा हवा पाई recreational space दरकार. So everything has been taken care and this can be a good home for your family. Currently under construction अच्छी and the developer is assuring that they will be able to hand over on time. आपन कोई प्रोजेक्ट विषय जदि आवरी डिटेल रे जानिबार अछि आपन हमको कनेक्ट करि पारंती स्क्रीन रे दिया जायबा नंबर रे. And if you are looking for a home in this locality of Bhubaneswar, then do not fail to explore this project. We always say कि आपन जदि निजो पई घर नउछंती, it's a very strategic decision. आपन सब बेले रेरा approved property ही नियंतु, developer रो previous projects, all the other credentials को check करंतु, and if required, please consult any good consultant, any reputed consultant in the market to know more details about currently on project chalchi, who project रे offers and discounts available अच्छी, and many other things about the market trend. यदि आपको ये वीडियो भल लगिला, then please like, share and subscribe करंतु. And for more such updates from real estate and infrastructure, be with us. Stay tuned. Namaskar.